Hey, what's up guys? Josh Domsky here with a brand new cryptocurrency video for you. And in this video, I want to go over Crypterium once again. I just want to do a quick update to let everybody know some of the new things that's going on here in Crypterium. And I also want to take you guys through the app, which you can get on iPhone and Android, and just show you what's going on with the app so far, and what's available and what you can do in the app. It's not the full version yet, but they're definitely getting there, and Crypterium is definitely rolling along. They're updating new things all the time, so that's kind of what this video is going to be about, just to let you guys know exactly what's going on with Crypterium, and what's happening. It's definitely an exciting project. This is one of the most exciting projects, for me at least. I'm really excited about it, and cannot wait for the full version of the app to be out. Okay, so let's go on and get into it. For people who are not quite sure about what Crypterium is, this is a little bit about Crypterium. Crypterium is one of the most successful ICOs of all time. Over 72,000 token holders contributed 51 plus million to help us bridge the gap between cryptocurrencies and their use in everyday life. Okay, so basically Crypterium is a crypto bank for the crypto people. It's going to be payment solutions where you're going to be able to basically exchange your cryptocurrency into fiat within milliseconds, and you can basically use your payments anywhere that you want, like stores, any type of shopping that you do online, and all types of different places. Okay, so the CRPT token is traded on HitBTC, one of the top 10 cryptocurrency exchanges, so that's where you can find the CRPT token. All the Crypterium solutions will only be accessible for use if you have CRPT. That will be used as gas for the transactions. Every time someone makes a payment, a fee equal to 0.5% of the value of the transaction in CRPT is taken from the CRPT token holder's account and burnt as fuel. This means the number of CRPT tokens will be reducing over time. Okay, so basically the way it works is, say you go into a coffee shop and you want to buy a cup of coffee. You can go into your Crypterium app. You can select which cryptocurrency you want to pay in, which right now it's going to be starting out with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So say you want to choose Bitcoin, you just choose Bitcoin, you scan the QR code, and basically in milliseconds it exchanges from your Bitcoin into fiat. It pays the merchant in fiat, and it deducts your Bitcoin. Now at the same time, for the transaction, like it says, it's going to be 0.5% of the value of the transaction is coming out in Crypterium tokens, and then that amount of Crypterium token is going to be burnt. Okay, so all the transactions that are being made on a daily basis, that's going to be a lot of Crypterium tokens being burnt. Now, the good thing about that is that the circulating supply is going to be always reducing. It's always going to be reducing the circulating supply, which is good because that's going to be pushing the value of the token up. Okay, so that's just one of the benefits. They also have a loyalty program, which is going to be like a cash back or a token back program. And they just got a lot of really cool things. So actually what I want to do now is play a video for you. Okay, and this is just going to be a video exactly of how we're going to be able to use the app, just so you get an idea of what it looks like and what we're going to be doing with it. So let's check this out right now.
Hello guys, today is an amazing day. We released a beta version of Crypterium mobile payment app, and today we're gonna buy some coffee with Bitcoins. Hello, how are you? Fine. Can I have coffee? So I want to make a payment with Crypterium mobile payment app. Entering my PIN code. Here is my balance in Bitcoins, and I want to make a payment with NFC. To do it, I need to just tap it like this. Up. It is processing, and 1, 2, 3, oh. Yep, done. We did a transaction. It's $2.26. Here's the transaction.
Okay guys, so how cool is that? Man, that just makes me so excited. Alright, so let's come back over to this email that I got here. This is the weekly digest. It says, "Hi there, how has your week been? Ours was gone in a flash. That's how quickly we are approaching the launch of the fully fledged Crypterium app. Meanwhile, we have some great news for you. Just take a look and join the discussion on our Telegram chat." Okay, so they do have a Telegram channel, which I'll leave the link in the description below for you. Can find anything out, any questions that you have. So this first update here is integration with Kraken, the beginning of Crypterium SX. Okay, and basically what that is that's Crypterium Smart Exchange, which I'll do a little explanation here. It says we want to make sure that Crypterium users get the best rate when paying in their local supermarkets with their crypto. So we're integrating with the most popular exchanges to enable our brand new Crypterium SX technology to find the best deals. Crypterium Smart Exchange ensures the most efficient bid-offer matching across the natural peer-to-peer flow, as well as third-party crypto exchanges. Our algorithms will be analyzing order books of the most popular crypto exchanges to save you money. Founded in 2011, San Francisco-based Kraken has been consistently rated the best and most secure crypto exchange, so we choose it as the first one to be integrated. Okay, so basically what that means is when you go to make a purchase, when you select, say you want to select Bitcoin as the crypto that you want to use, it's their smart exchange technology is going to be able to get you the best deal, okay, on your Bitcoin between all the different exchanges that they're integrating. So say there's like 10 different exchanges, and you're going to be able to get the best deal on your Bitcoin with this technology. It'll be able to scan all those exchanges, and it's going to be able to choose which one where you're going to get the most for your Bitcoin. So when you make that transaction, it's going to be, you're going to be giving the least amount of Bitcoin for that transaction. Okay, so that's really, really cool. Okay, so let's come over here, and we're going to learn a little bit more about that integration. It says behind the scenes, your payments with Crypterium look super easy and take seconds. You come to a shop, you tap your smartphone against the payment terminal, or scan a QR code, and that's it. The payment is done. But there's a complex process behind the scene. Just as we're initiating a fiat transaction from our bank account that's going to get you the purchase, we're simultaneously writing off the same amount in cryptocurrency from your wallet, selling it on the exchange, and sending the fiat that we get to our bank account. To maximize the efficiency of those operations, we've built a new generation technology, Crypterium SX, that guarantees the best exchange rates for us and our customers. And this is all happening in like milliseconds, which is just amazing. So how we get you the best deal? Crypterium SX ensures the most efficient bid offering matching across natural peer-to-peer flow, as well as third-party crypto exchanges. Our algorithms will be analyzing order books of the most popular crypto exchanges in real time, predicting how our order could influence the market and which exchange is optimal in each case for making the transaction. All historical transactions are stored in a dedicated data warehouses that continuously analyze data to enhance risk management, identity predictive behaviors, and enable Crypterium to optimize the cryptocurrency exchange process and better educate the customer on possible payment strategies. For example, the app may highlight different payment mixes depending on the current cryptocurrency valuations, and you will always see in real time not only the amount of cryptocurrency you are going to spend, but also the value of your crypto funds in your preferred fiat currency. Kraken is in, more is to come. Okay, so it says here, we'll skip this part. So we chose Kraken as the first exchange to be integrated with Crypterium SX. The technical part is complete. Our servers can already derive the going rates from Kraken, as well as send and receive transaction requests. This is a crucial step towards the creation of a fully fledged crypto to fiat payment system, and we are absolutely delighted to tell you about it. Integration with at least 10 more exchanges is planned for the nearest future, so stay tuned. Okay, so that's really awesome. I mean, that's just amazing technology where it's going to be able to scan 10 different exchanges, get you the best rate for your transaction, all in like milliseconds of time. That's just awesome. Okay, so let's come down here to another update, taking over the world. New features of the Crypterium app. So let's come to that section. And again, you can get this on iPhone and Android. Right now, the app is called Crypterium Lite, Lite, and you can use the app right now. You can put your Crypterium tokens, your CRPT tokens on there. Also, you can store Bitcoin and Ethereum on there right now, which I am going to show you through the app just here in a few minutes. Okay, so here's some of the new updates. This one's really cool. Crypterium ID-based transactions. Transactions have become much easier to perform. You can now use recipient's Crypterium account ID, which is a number, this number here, instead of their public wallet address. The ID is the same for all the currencies, so when you send crypto, you don't have to worry about choosing one of many addresses. We'll do it for you. It's also static and easier to memorize than a typical wallet address. In the first version, it will be numerical. Later on, it might be replaced with some kind of nicknames. Okay, so say, I have my Crypterium app and you have your Crypterium app. If I want to send Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Crypterium to you, I can just take your Crypterium ID and I can send Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Crypterium to this ID number, and it'll know exactly what I'm sending, and that'll go into your wallet, okay, of whatever crypto I'm sending. So that is really, really cool. Okay, Crypterium nodes activation. At the beginning, we used Coinbase API as a temporary solution for Bitcoin wallet. This week, we activated our own nodes to boost the speed of transactions, improve the overall performance, and let us provide higher quality support. This will also allow us to add new coins to our wallet, such as Litecoin, Ripple, etc. Real-time account balance updates. From now on, you don't have to manually refresh the app to see the changes of cryptocurrency prices and your balance. All the information will be automatically updated every 30 seconds. Special guides on how to buy and sell crypto. Our app is going to be used not only by blockchain experts, but also by novice users, including previously unbanked ones. So we have prepared a comprehensive guide for those who are eager to start using cryptocurrencies, though not sure how to buy and sell them. With that said, we are looking for all sorts of feedback from our supporters. Are there any features you really wish to find in our app? Is there anything you would like us to add to the guides? Please let us know your opinion in our Telegram chat. We are eager to hear your thoughts. And again, I'll leave the link to the Telegram chat in the description below. Okay, so that's going to do it for that. Also, once again, you can find Crypterium is trading on the HitBTC exchange. Okay, so it says here, all the Crypterium solutions will only be accessible for use if you have CRPT that will be used as gas for the transactions. Every time someone makes a payment, a fee equal to 0.5% of the value of the transaction in CRPT is taken from the CRPT token holder's account and burnt as fuel. Okay, which we already went over that. Okay, so let's come to coinmarketcap.com. Let's just do a quick search, CRPT. There's Crypterium. Okay, it's currently ranked number 205 on the CoinMarketCap. Okay, here is the chart right here. it has been, when it first came out, it's been as high as $3. So let's take a look at the last 3 months. Actually, let's go to 1 month. Okay, here we go. So right now is actually a pretty good time to buy. It hit this low point here about 38 cents. And it's slowly starting to go up now, especially now that Bitcoin has finally turned around and is starting to gain some traction. You can see this volume right here is just going crazy. So we're up to 60 cents now, up 7%. And I definitely think that right now is a good time to buy Crypterium. Because within the next year or two, I can definitely see this hitting $5, $6, $7, somewhere right in there. And who knows, it could even be a lot higher than that. Okay, so what I want to do now is I'm going to take you into the app, and I'm just going to show you around the app, and just show you what you can do right now with the actual app. Okay guys, so here we are in the app now, and I'm starting out right here in my Google Play Store, and this is where you can come and download the Crypterium app, and if you have iPhone, you can also download that from the iPhone store. Okay, so you're going to come here, and instead of it saying open, that's where it's going to say download for you or install. You'll go ahead and install it, and then get your account set up. Okay, so I got it set up to where each time I come into the app, I just put in my PIN and then I can access it. You can also just sign in with your password if you wish to do that. Alright, and here we go. Just a little bit ago, I sent over a few Crypterium as a test transfer. Right now I got all of my Crypterium in my Ether wallet. So I just sent these over as a test to see how all the numbers work and all that type of stuff. So as you can see, it says plus $1.8, which is $1.80, up 5.2%, and that's in the last 24 hours. So it's pretty nice that it calculates these things and also shows the total balance. Okay, so it shows here that I have 60 CRPT tokens for the $36. Now if I had Bitcoin in here, my total balance at the top would be the total amount of all of my tokens, all of my Bitcoin, all my Ethereum, and all of my CRPT, and then in each one it breaks it down in a little box. So you can actually click on the box, you can see the week, and then after like a few seconds at the top it'll update the green numbers. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds maybe, and then it'll show the week numbers. There we go. So in the last week, that's up 35%, which is $9.60. And then let's switch to a month. I wish it was instant, but let's see. It usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds. So let's see what the month numbers are. There we go. So in the last month, it's up 24%. Okay, which we should start to see a really good rise right now. Finally, now that Bitcoin is starting to gain some traction, I think we're going to see the entire market really start to blow up. Okay, so we can click that again to close it, and we can do the same for Bitcoin. Okay, and also Ethereum. Now we can come here to transfer, and this is really neat because they just implemented the Crypterium address or Crypterium ID. Now if I want to send to another member who has the Crypterium app, I can just put in this Crypterium ID like I explained earlier in the video, and I could just put those numbers in and it sends directly to that member. Okay, and it's the same member ID for all of the tokens, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, Crypterium. All you got to do, instead of putting in individual addresses for each type of crypto, you just send to that Crypterium ID, and it figures out exactly what token that is, and that will put that into the wallet to whoever I'm sending it. That's really neat. That's a really cool option. Okay, and then also there's the QR code scanner up in the top right hand side. Okay, let's go back. We can click on receive. Okay, then we can select which crypto that we want to receive. Here's our address right here. We got the QR code, and in the bottom right hand side we can click on share, and then that will bring up, if you want to send it to a contact or an email address or anything like that. It's easy to do a share. So if I wanted to send some Crypterium tokens in here to my app wallet from my Ether wallet, the way I did it earlier is I clicked on share, and then I clicked on Gmail, and then I sent this address to my Gmail account. So on my desktop, I went into my email, I got the address, and then I went into my Ether wallet, and then I sent over my tokens here, and it was just really easy. And that's how I sent over my tokens from my desktop to the app. Okay, so let's go back. There's also an exchange. I haven't used it yet, but it looks like you can just do Bitcoin and Ethereum for now. But I know in the future they'll be implementing a lot of cryptos. Okay. And then let's come to the history. Okay, where you can see earlier I sent over that 60 Crypterium. Okay, then you can click on that, and it brings up all the details. You've got your transaction ID. You can actually just view it right on the blockchain by clicking on that box at the bottom, and that'll take you right to the transaction right on the blockchain, which is really cool. So the app is already looking really good, really user-friendly, really easy to figure things out, a lot of really cool options. I just cannot wait for the full version. This is going to be just so awesome. Okay, then you can click on more. Now when you first set up your account here, you do have to go to identification status. It looks like there's a few different levels of KYC, which is know your customer. Right now you just got to complete the first one, which it's just really basic. It's just like your name, citizenship, it says it all right there. So it's just really basic, not a lot of information that you have to give. Okay, so we go back here. There's also an invitation code. Okay, can do that. It tells you your level at the top, your bronze level. That's what I'm at right now, just for the basic version. Click on your local currency. This is where you go for buy cryptos and sell cryptos. You can click on about Crypterium. Can link you to the social medias. It's got their email, the website. Okay. And then if you need to ask a question, it'll just link you right to the support. So that's pretty much it. Just really basic stuff right now, but you can definitely tell that the details and the really cool options that they have, that, this is just going to be a really awesome app. Cannot wait for the full version. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little demo. We're going to exit out of here and go right back to the video now. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video, and one last time, you can come here to crypterium.io, to their website. You can find the white paper here, and there's a lot of really cool things here on the website that you should definitely come and check out. Okay, here's some more about the Crypterium SX. Shows the pictures here of all the different exchanges, that it can go through to get you the best deal. Shows more about the payment solutions. Here's something about the monthly loyalty program, so you can find out more about that. Okay, they got their roadmap here. Alright, so definitely come and read more about Crypterium, learn all you can. This is a really great project, and I'm just super excited about it. I can't wait for it to be fully launched and be able to use the full version of the app. Alright, so thanks so much guys for hanging in here with me. I know this was a really long video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I will continue to bring you guys some more cryptocurrency videos. Alright? Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate everybody watching, and as always, take care.